Let's begin.
Hello friends, I am 𝗫𝗵𝗟𝗏 from Zyra Technology. Today I am going to demonstrate project named Patient Health Monitoring System. In this we are using internet also, which is not shown in the video. So this is a simple project. What we are doing, we have connected heartbeat sensor, temperature sensor, we have connected flex sensor to show some emergency. Then we have GSR, galvanic skin resistance. So these all value are shown on LCD, and on internet server, that is 𝗃𝗶𝗟𝗏 server, we can also see all values. For more detail you can contact us in the below link, and you can WhatsApp us also, and if you want some customization in the project you can contact us. Okay, and thank you so much for watching the video. Have a nice day. In this we have also added this thing, Accelerometer also we have added. Okay, and thank you so much.
Remember you're discreet now. Get ready for defeat now. I'm gonna make you bleed out. Listen on repeat now and weed out all the weak now. Get up and make a change. Don't remember yesterday. If you got something to say, speak your mind before your grave. Cause your life is yours to save. Ain't nobody gonna change. Everybody stays the same. So be different, make a name, huh?
I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer. March until it's over. And just like a soldier,